We have waited as long as we are going to wait tonight. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Excited to have all of you here on this call tonight. It's a real privilege to have you here. If this is your first time seeing what's going on with Forex, well, first, I just want to congratulate you because it's so powerful, the movement that we've created with empowering people and just showing people the right information about money, okay? So whoever invited you to this call, I want you to go ahead and message them thank you real quick, because it's an honor for you to be on this call. It's an honor for us to have you on this call, because finally the people are coming together and saying, hey, it's time that people really know what's going on with money. And we're going to show you one of the biggest secrets that has made the banks billions and billions and billions of dollars in the largest financial market in the world. Okay. So the company's name is Tradera. Okay. I want to welcome all of you out. We were founded in 2019 and we're based here in the United States. We're a financial services platform. Our company is worldwide, but we're based here in the US and we are 100% debt free. Okay, I just want to cover a couple facts and then I really want to break down the meat of why you're here. Okay, so one thing that I'm going to ask during this call is that you respond to me in the chat box, because I really want to know who knows what on this call. Okay, so when it comes to the Forex market, most people, they're completely unaware that almost everybody already has money in this market. So here's my question to you to start off this call. Okay, if someone's going to make money off of your money, and you know that your money is already profiting in a market, would you agree with me that you should be the one who is profiting off of your money? Give me a yes in the chat box if you agree with me on that. I think it's a no-brainer, okay? The yeses are flying in the chat box right now. Bam, bam, bam. Yes, of course you should be the one who is making money. Listen, the Forex market is what the banks have been using our money to make money in for a long period of time now, okay? Any money that you have sitting in a savings account, if you didn't know this, I'm about to let you know how the bank gives you 2% a year? They're making massive, massive, massive returns off of all of our money sitting in the bank, which is why they penalize you if you take out of your savings account, because that's the money that the banks are trading with and investing on your behalf without you being able to benefit more than 2% a year. So if you're anything like me, I found out about that and I said, hey, that just doesn't make sense. If someone's going to make money off my money, like we already have come to the conclusion of, it should be us. And that's what we're teaching with the Forex market. All this is day trading, right? This is currencies being exchanged and traded every single day. Now, if you've ever traveled to another country, you know that every country has their own currency, right? If you go to Mexico, they have the Mexican peso. If you go to London, they have the Great British Pound. At different places in Europe, they got the euro. Canada, the Canadian dollar, right? The United States, the US dollar. Every country has their own currency. Now, the way that this works is as these currencies go up and down, you have the ability to make money. Most people think about the stock market when they think about trading, right? But with the stock market, you can only make money as the market moves up. But we all know that in any market, it's never going to continue to go up. Answer this for me in the chat box. What goes up must do what? What goes up must do what? Y'all are quick tonight. Come down, okay? No market will ever just be a bullish market. There are going to be fluctuations in the market where the economy is up and when the economy is down. Let's not forget 2008 for everybody who's here in the United States. We had a major, major crash. You know who got rich off of that? The banks did. If you've ever seen the movie The Big Short, that's what it's about. The banks make massive money because when the currencies fall in price, all of us who trade Forex, answer me this question. When the currency is collapsing, when the economy is collapsing, what do? We sell the currency. We short it. That's what the movie's about, The Big Short. So what we're going to teach you how to do tonight is how to make money in the largest financial market in the world, where your money is already at, and how regardless of what's going on in the economy, good or bad, you have the ability to multiply your money. Give me a yes in the chat box if you say that multiplying your money regardless is recession proof. Don't just depend on a source of income, okay? Let's jump off into this thing, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to teach you when to buy, when to sell, and when not to trade at all. It's very important that you pay attention right now. The services that we're offering here and that we provide, we're a trading education company. We're teaching people from the very basics to advanced how to trade and how the market moves and how you can be profitable in that. You get trade alerts, which is where you literally get to copy and paste master traders who are crushing it in the markets, okay? I'm going to explain more in depth here in just a second on each one. Live sessions, where just like you're coming on this call, which is live right now, we have live sessions breaking down the Forex market and how to make money with us every single day, Sunday through Thursday. We have our market forecast where we're showing you what we're looking at overall at all of the pairs that we're trading. We have our 2-week syllabus to help you get started right, to make sure that you actually have a plan in motion to be successful. You don't just pay for something and then do nothing. That doesn't make sense. We have our small study group, which I like to consider it like a small church group, right? Where you're growing with people, but now we're growing financially. Okay, we have our 20 pips and dip strategy, which I'll show you here in a minute. And then beyond anything, we have our trade community, which is full of people who are all about helping people be successful and grow their money. Okay, so let's break down each one of these quickly. As you can see on the right, this is our back office. This is exactly what it looks like. This is a screenshot of it. Okay, so you're seeing inside the back office right now. You see where it says education platform? That's where you go to watch the education videos that are all recorded already for you. Okay, it's 100% online course, basic to advanced strategies already there for you. As much as you want to learn about trading, you have the ability to do so, okay? Step-by-step process. And that's why we put you through our 2-week market syllabus to make sure you know the best steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're not just shooting a random arrow in the sky and hoping it lands on success. Usually life doesn't work that way, okay? Now with our trade alerts, this is really beautiful. One thing that got me in trouble in school was I like to copy the smart kids, okay? If somebody's smart at something, I think that us working together makes a lot of sense. Well, the school system called that cheating, and I got in trouble a couple of times. And this is the fact. With the trade alerts, all we're doing is copying the signals that are sent out from the master traders and the expert traders, okay? When they see something in the market, you can see right here on your phone, you're going to get an alert that has the currency pair, so you're going to know which pair to put. You're going to get the entry point. That's where you're going to enter the market. And then you're going to get the exit point. Whether it goes the way that we're looking for or not, the stop loss and take profit is provided for you. Now, you may say, hey, I really don't know what all that means. Well, the good news is for you, you don't have to. I need you to type 1, 2, 3 in the chat box for me real quick. Everybody who's listening, type 1, 2, 3 in the chat box for me real quick. Now, my question to you is, do you know why you put 1, 2, 3, or did you just do it? You just did it. What if I said that typing 1, 2, 3 just made you money in this trade? Well, now you just made money in a trade and you had nothing, you had no clue about it. That's how simple this is. We're copying and pasting numbers that while we don't understand what's going on, if you're brand new, you still have the ability to profit just by copying and pasting. You're encouraged to follow the people that are having success. Their success becomes your success. In 2019, we had over 12,000 pips that were called net profit. Okay, 12,000 pips that were called out. All of this is recorded and documented if you want to see it as well, okay? 12,000 pips. Let's just say you were making $1 a pip. What if you would have made $12,000 off of your money last year? Listen, nothing's guaranteed. I'm not coming at you and saying anything like that. Trading involves risk. We have to give that legally as a disclaimer. But the facts are we netted 12,000 plus pips. Let's say that you are making $5 a pip. What's 5 times 12? 60. Now let's put a comma there. That's $60,000 you would have made if you were just making $5 a pip. There's something powerful going on, and we have cracked the system and made it very available and affordable for everyone. Now, our live sessions, this is one of my favorite. Every Sunday through Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern, one of our top educators and traders hold a live session where you can get on and you can learn from them live in the markets. One thing for me, I learn best by seeing it done and being able to ask questions if I don't understand something. And that's exactly what is being done during these live sessions and what you have the ability to do. Ask questions. Make sure you understand understand what's going on. And then the things that you're seeing in the education platform, now it's being done right in front of your face, and it's starting to make a lot of sense, okay? With the market forecast, every Sunday at 5 p.m., you can go here and you can see the pairs that they put in there, and you can see the overall moves that they're looking for even before they start calling out the trades for the week with the trade alerts, okay? Super, super powerful, the resources that you have available. Now, our 2-week syllabus, when you get started, the person that enrolled you, who shared this with you, they're going to give you our 2-week syllabus, okay? And what that's going to do is help you get into the market over the next 2 weeks. A step-by-step process created by our top traders and our top leaders to help you really fast start your way to success, okay? Give me a yes in the chat box if you're okay with starting your way towards success fast rather than slow. You know, I'm not saying get rich fast, but staying broke slow sure doesn't help either, right? Or get rich slow. That doesn't sound good either. Listen, it's about consistency, and that's what we're going to teach you, okay? I'm really excited you guys are all seeing this. Small groups is one of my favorite things because it really embraces the value of community and realizing that we as humans can do so much more together than we can separate, okay? What this is designed to do is to make sure that everybody is up to speed. Sometimes if everybody's just fighting for themselves, you'll find that people get lost. But when there's a team of people that can help you, the success rate is so much higher. And that's why we do these small groups, okay? It strengthens the community. It makes sure that people know what's going on. And at that point, you can really create friends in this business. I don't know about you, but when I started making friends online and actually making money, it feels good to make money with people. Give me a yes in the chat box if it would feel good to make money with your friends. Extra income. Now, our 20 pips and dip strategy, it's really cool, okay? What we're doing is showing you practically how to take advantage of just getting 20 pips. And the growth of that, as you do that consistently, is unreal. I'm not even going to tell you how much you can take $50, $100 to. If you have 30 consecutive winning trades or just 30 trades you won overall, and you've taken just 20 pips and you upped your lot size incrementally as you grew your account, okay? We have all of this, we'll teach you. But listen, consistency is the key of trading. This isn't get rich quick, but it's dang sure not grow at all, okay? We're gonna teach you how to grow your money. Albert Einstein said, compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. Those who understand it, earn it. Those who don't, pay it. If you have a mortgage right now, if you have credit card debt, student loans, you are the one paying compounded interest. You're the ones making the banks rich. But if you learn the power of compound interest and how to multiply your money, now you are the one earning that. It's really powerful what happens when you get on the right side of money. And our trade community is really big about helping people get there, from empowering to making sure you know what's going on. You know that you're not alone. You can ask questions. You can get support. The biggest thing that I can make sure that all of you know is when you join this movement, you're not alone. So many times people are fighting for themselves. We believe in feasting together. If we're all sharing in a feast, we believe that everybody will get more than if we're all fighting over a couple pieces of bread. I think you would agree with me on that, okay? This is what's crazy about this. Like, this absolutely blows my mind. To get started right now, it's only $99. Guys, I've spent thousands of dollars learning this skill set. Thousands upon thousands. And for $99, you get access to everything that I just went over in our community, our trading education, our trade alerts, live session, market forecast, 2-week syllabus, the small group study, the 20 pips and dip strategy, the trade community. And then at that point, if you love what you have access to, you're loving the results that you have, you also have the ability to share it and make income as a residual income every single week and every single month, okay? The big thing about what we have going on is that people are absolutely making money. If you're making money on this call right now, you're a member, give me a 555 in the chat box so everybody that is watching knows that this is 100% legitimate and people are really making money with the trade alerts, with the live education, with the market forecast. Like, it's absolutely beautiful, the money that it's being made, okay? So I want to show you this really quickly. If you like free, I'm going to show you how to get the membership free every month after you pay your initial $99, okay? You pay the $99, and let's say that you like what you see. You refer 3 people, and at that point, your membership is free every single month. Now, here's a pretty crazy thing. For your first 3 people, not only is the company going to give you your membership free every month if you just want to get it for free, when you upgrade to IBO, you also get paid a $150 bonus for your first 3 people. That's really powerful. You pay 99, 3 people say, hey, I want to learn too. You don't have to do any of this. If you want to just pay the 99, feel free to. But if you want it for free and you feel like helping other people as well, that point, 3 people, your membership is free. You got paid 150. Now you have the option to either get it for free or you can get paid every single week. If you like to get it for free, type free in the chat box. If you like to get paid every single week, type paid in the chat box, okay? Whichever one you decide is fine. I'm gonna go ahead and let you know me personally. I like getting paid. Free doesn't pay the bills. So check this out. Once you get your initial 3 people, you never need to sign up anyone personally again. This is a really, really powerful system that we have here. After you get your first 3, at that point, your goal is to help your 3 get their 3. Okay, so they can get a free membership if they desire to. But this is really powerful. Once you get your 3 people, let's say your team grows to 10 people now in your organization. You have reached the rank of Knight, which pays out $125 every single week, residual income. If $500 could help you out, type yes in the chat box. The next rank is 25 people in your organization. That's Noble. Okay, that's $250 a week. Another thing I want to do real quick, just for validating what we're doing, if you are one of these ranks already, if you could type your rank in the chat box, okay? We've had over 100 people rank up in the last 30 days, just to give you a little bit of perspective. This is the most insane momentum I've ever seen, and we're just getting started. Noble is $1,000 a month. Bishop, 75 people. It's $2,000 a month, $500 a week. Duke, that's $1,250 a week, $5,000 a month. Prince, that's $2,500 a week, $10,000 a month, and it goes up to $100,000 a month. Again, I need you to understand, your job is not to get all of those people. Your job is to come in and do your part and just get your 3. And if you want to help more people than that, then help your 3 get paid. And then at that point, by helping everybody, everybody wins. This is what I love about the culture of what we have here. People are making money in the Forex markets. People are creating passive residual income. I've never seen a more beautiful situation for people to take advantage of. David Lasiaga just got started 35 days ago and hit $10,000 a month. Blake Litton just got started 20-something days ago and hit $2,000 a month. Dom Ford just got started, hit $1,000 a month in a matter of like 3 weeks. Guys, I could name off so many people, it's not funny. Listen, it's beautiful what's taking place, and I just wanted to take a moment to show you that. And I really want to make this very clear. Zig Ziglar said, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. You're not going to have it all figured out day 1. But if you never start at day 1, you're never going to ever have success because you never get a chance to see what can happen. What you need to do right now is whoever invited you to this call, you need to get back with them right this moment, okay? What we're going to do is we are going to take about a 10 to 15 minute break where we're going to give you a moment to get back with whoever invited you. Go ahead and text them back. Go ahead and Facebook message, Instagram message them back and say, hey, send me the link, okay? I want to help you go ahead and get started tonight. And what we're going to do special just for tonight, we are going to do a online quick start training, okay? So for all of you who get started right now, we're gonna take a 10-minute break where you can go ahead and get back with the person who invited you to this call. It's $99 to get started, and I wanna help you get activated in our 2-week syllabus plan right out of the gate and start the right way tonight with a plan for success and start to help you get your $150 bonus. And those of you who commented paid in the chat box, help you get paid every single week, okay? So listen, we're gonna take a quick break, 10 minutes, get back with whoever invited you to this call. I wanna thank you for taking the time to come see what we have going on with Tradera. And I promise you this, if you are willing to give us 30 days to show you what we have going on, you will be absolutely mind blown and you will feel about this the same way that we do. It's hard not to share it.